How to make Fabric ignore offline hosts in the Env.Hosts list. This is related to my previous question, but a different one. I have the following fab file. And the output is. After the execution hits the offline server, it aborts immediately, regardless of the other servers in the Env.Hosts list. I've used the env setting warn_only equals true, but maybe I'm using it improperly. How can I modify this behavior so that it will only print the error and continue executing?
As of version 1.4, Fabric has a skip bad hosts option that can be set from the command line or by setting the variable in your fab file. Documentation for the option is here, this URL. Don't forget to explicitly set the timeout value also.
According to the Fabric documentation on warn_only. Env.warn_only specifies whether or not to warn, instead of abort, when run/sudo/local encounter error conditions. This will not help in the case of a server being down, since the failure occurs during the SSH attempt before executing run/sudo/local. One solution would be to create a function to check if each server is up prior to executing your tasks. Below is the code that I used.
You're not using it improperly. You can even just provide warn_only equals true on the command line. It's the documented method suggested by the development team.
Based on Matthew's answer, I came up with a decorator that accomplishes just that. It is especially useful when you have multiple hosts and roles.
If you want to support the